Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off journaling suggestions notifications on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Privacy and Security. Next, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Journaling Suggestions. From here, scroll down and then tap on Suggestion Notification Settings. At the top here, tap on Allow Notifications. So tap on the toggle button to allow or block notifications for journaling suggestions. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.